Today we are in Loerrach, specifically on the former Webberei-Conrad site. These are two new buildings. At the District Administration Office, we are talking about a 7-story building, a complex.
There were several challenges here. On the one hand, to design a public space in the open spaces, and at the same time a private space, i.e. semi-public to private space for the residents. Then you have a project like this. In the center of the city, there's always the problem of where to go with the rainwater.
We were approached by the W+P landscape architects. We are talking here about the classic facade channel. This means that we have the flat roof guideline that we have to observe. However, we also have a linear drainage system and a point drainage system in open areas. This means that we not only have pedestrian accessible channels but also trafficable channels, all of which we have implemented together.
It's just that there is a large underground car park for both projects, and it is also connected to each other. In other words, we have an area here where more or less everything is sealed, and at the same time we have to retain all the water here on the property and can only discharge it in very small or minimal quantities into the public sewerage system. And so it was necessary to create a large retention space under the surface on this underground car park.
There were a few challenges at the district office. For the building itself, we used a mix of classic facade drainage reinforced with radial channels and with inspection shafts and sump units. And the special thing is that all 3 channel types have the same grating. Across the entire area, we have around 130 meters of slotted channels, and each individual channel run has its own geometry, a different installation height, allowing us to adapt to the given conditions at all times.
The experience is simply that communication is a very important factor, that is dealing with someone who really knows what they are doing, who is always accessible, who provides timely answers, and who can approach problems with a solution-oriented mindset. Even if the topics are complex, as they were, here this is truly the foundation for successful project management, and that is what you want.